Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will study Chapter 2. Chapter 2. A design from Art and Activity Skill Book. From Art and Activity Skill Book. Take out your purple color book. Take out your purple color book fast. Now have a look to the worksheet. What is this? This is a design. This is a design. Color the given design in the same way as shown. Color the given design in the same way as shown. First, we have to take red color. Okay, take out your red color. Take out your red color. Now, first of all, mark where we use red color. This, 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 this and this. Now start doing red color. Do it neatly and properly, okay? Neatly and properly. Left and right, up and down. This side. This. Now this. And fill the gaps, okay? Fill the gaps and do it neatly. Fill the gaps and do it neatly. Do it neatly, okay? Are you enjoying? I hope you all are enjoying. Cuties, are you enjoying? Which color is this? This is red color. Complete it fast and neatly, okay? Now again, red color in this, this and this. Okay? Start doing red color. Do it properly. Do it properly and neatly. Which color is this? This is red color. Now, next turn is of blue color. Take out your blue color. Take out your blue color and start doing with me. Do it neatly, okay? All of you like coloring now? Do it neatly. And fill the gaps now. Which color is left? Which color is left? Tell me fast. Which color is left? Tell me which color is left? Yellow color. Start doing yellow color. And fill the gaps, okay? Now, next turn is of green color. Take out your green color and start doing with me. Which color is this? Green color. Which color is this? Green color. Green color. And fill the gaps, cuties. Fill the gaps. Completed fast. I hope all of you enjoyed a lot. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class.